for my Merc Lego. So we're gonna attach it right over here. Now let's do it for the same part. And it'll be here. It looks like a Merc already. Next we're gonna do is the top layer of the head. And we'll attach it right here. Yeah. And guys, I'm putting this one on 10 accessories. And we're almost done right here. There, we're done. We're now gonna be doing the neck. And this is the squared part of the neck because it has both circle and square. And whoa, we're almost finished, but we only need one more part. Let's just take a part on the head. Yeah. Oh yeah, great. Great. It's now attach it to the head and see, but it's too short. So let's add one more. This is the head and the neck of Merc. We'll do the body. So the body is black because that's how the cartoon goes. And let's attach this black part. Wow, that's going to be a lot of black parts. Oh my god, yeah. And there. And you can still add gray parts. But let's add, I think, yeah, this part. And let's just go right over. And there, now we needed to put the hands, and they'll be attached right over here. And now for the right hand, but now it has already two 1x4s. And there we go, we have the hands. Or we can make it, oh yeah, it's even on the right. Now this one, we're almost done with the body, but we're still attaching this part. And yeah, we still have some spare parts here. And this is for the tail. And there, oh my god, what happened? There, now we're done with the body. And now we are ready at, oops, sorry. It's just because of that.